For 4 days and 3 nights, we explored the beautiful island of Bohol. From relaxing at Green Mango Resort to snorkeling in crystal clear waters, crossing along the Loboc River, and standing in awe at the Chocolate Hills. Every moment was captured through the lens of our 4 different cameras. This is our story. Welcome to our Bohol adventure.
Saying goodbye, or would you believe me, or call it a lie? Cause life isn't perfect, it's beautiful still, and love makes it worth it, and love makes it worth it. We didn't know that it was magic while we had it. I wish I could go back and change the way I acted. Sometimes a happy story has an ending tragic, but I'm still thankful that these moments even happened. When I think of you, I think of summer in the ocean blue, my favorite lover. When I think of you, I think of summer. I wanna go back to that. I wanna go back to you.
As the sun set, we explored Alona Beach. Dinner by the shore, live music, and the breeze of a paglaw at night.
We could have been in the city when it's cold outside, but every time I look in your eyes, I felt the ocean breeze against my thigh. So don't wake me from this dream, no. When I think of you, I think of summer in the ocean blue, my favorite lover. When I think of you, I think of summer. I wanna go back to that. I wanna go back to you. Oh, my summer. Go back to you. When I think of you, I think of summer in the ocean blue, my favorite lover. When I think of you, I think of summer. I wanna go back to that. Oh, you're my summer.
Day 2 was packed with famous landmarks and cultural sites.
Met a girl at a party in the rec room. I remember she said I had something on my face. Her eyes, my eyes, telling lies. Both of us wishing there was something more than this. Fell in love with the girl at the rec room, and she sang, "Whoa, whoa, whoa, down like a drawbridge. I could see this cover story setting like a sun. Her eyes, my eyes, 3, 2, 1. My heart's like a target and now she holds a gun. Fell in love with the girl at the rec room, and she said, "Whoa, whoa,
One of the most peaceful experiences, dining while floating through the nature. Standing here, it feels surreal, like something out of a dream. Picture-perfect end of the day, full of lights, many landmarks, and magic. Day 3 was all about the ocean. Clear waters, vibrant marine life, and a once-in-a-lifetime island hopping experience. And for something totally different, we explore the mysterious beauty of Hinagdanan Cave in Dawes. On our final day, we just took it slow, a morning swim, soaking in the calm before heading home.
Just
This trip reminded us how beautiful the Philippines truly is. Whether it's nature, history, or peace and quiet, Bohol has it all. Let us know in the comments which scene was your favorite and which camera gave the best shot. See you in the next adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.